Good morning. This is Professor Shaw again signing on. The concept of Unit 2 we are going to cover in this class. So before entering the class, again I'm emphasizing you. This is Shaw signing on. So my aim is actually this channel. Please subscribe to your friends, classmates, and staff members so that easily everybody can get better score about it. So before going to the, please subscribe. Don't see the views and everything. The subscribe button is there. Please press it. That's what I want to say. Nothing else about from that. That's right. Okay, shall we start the class now? Okay, we will start. Okay. So number unit 2. We are starting the class, right? This is the algorithmic problem solving method. What is algorithm? There's a question dancing in your mind. So algorithm means what? It is a sequence of instruction to do the task. Sequence of instruction to do the task. That's called algorithm. It has got input data and output data. Algorithm function between that. Input you will provide, function will do the job, output will give that. According to that. For example, input data means what? See example of 6 1. Add two numbers. What are the numbers? Actually, I got a number 12582928. If I want to add, what will happen? 8 plus 3 1. Carry will come. Again, that carry with 5 6 12 8. 2 plus 9 11. 1 plus 1 2 2 2. This is called actually input is this one 1258. Output is 2, that is a 4181, carry 1 and not carry 1, and then function between adding is called function. Any doubt in that? Nothing. Okay. So already I taught you in the last class, and you will be understanding the concept. So next, algorithmic problems. What is algorithmic problems? Building block algorithm. What are the blocks are there in the algorithm? Actually, we have got data block, variable block, control block, function block. What is data? Is a collection of information. Input you are providing, function will do the job and will get the output. That's what data says. The data can be a number, alphabet, even multimedia data also. Multimedia data means what? Audio, video, whatever it means, it's your choice. Next, so using the input data, what you will do? Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. I think you know the arithmetic operations all are okay. Next, we are slowly migrating towards the topic of variables. Variables means what? Boxes for storing data. Okay, so it will store some value. State, see the state. When you take the state means what is that on stage? What is that? For example, if you are talking about a traffic light signal, green state, yellow state, and red state will be there. It's called states. Control flow. It is control. Sequential flow means one by one execute. Alternative control means if the condition is satisfied, if it is true, the output is one. Else means the output is true. That is called alternative control. Alternate means to say the one or other. If it is true, it is yes. If it is false, it's wrong. So again, I will teach you for with an example. A has got value 10, B has got value 5. When you are comparing A greater than B, if it is true, it will come to great. A is greater. If it is false, it will be B is greater. That's what the question is. Okay. So alternative control flow means what? If true, see the fun. I told you if A greater than B, true or false. If it is true, then check the next condition. That is called alternative. We will see one by example. So many examples are there. We will see. Okay. Next, functions. Part of algorithm is called functions. Part of algorithm is called functions. So okay, so a little bit we studied says to still more about I want to know about that. For example, you want to compute the area of the cylinder. What is the formula for it? 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h. So what are the variables we got? Radius is the variable and height is the variable. Other things are same. So I will create cylinder. I want to compute cylinder area as a function. What are the parameters you are passing? Radius and height. With these two we don't know. You transmit. So 2 into area means pi r squared. So circle area is also a function. And circumference is also a function into h. How, sir? Pi r squared is as a circle area. Am I right or not? 2 into multiply with that. Then 2 pi r is more circumference into h. That's all. Return the value out of it. So, algorithm design techniques. What are the algorithm design techniques? You got specification, abstraction, composition, decomposition. First two things we are going to analyze in this class. So what is specification? Actually, you are providing the input. Algorithm will take care about it and produce the output. So algorithm says what? It has got input, it has got output, and then body out of it. Okay, so could you give example regarding that? Shall I'll tell you. The example one. You are dividing 22 by 5. What happens? 4 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder. So 22 5 is the input, divide is the function, and output is 4 and 2. Quotient and remainder. Another example. So division of 15 comma 3. Quotient is 5, remainder is 0. So input is 15 and 3, output is 5 0, but function is divide. Specification for name of the algorithm and inputs, property of input, output relationship. What is the relationship input and output got? The function it will do. That also we studied, sir. Example 2. Find the square root. How to find the square root? Input n is greater than output. I want square root of square root of n. So I will compute. I won't compute square root of n. I will compute 1 y squared is equal to n. That is the output now. If y is root n, that's what you are computing. Next comes abstraction state. In algorithm state of computation, abstracted by set of variables. Abstraction means concrete concepts. That's all. Function means algorithm is complex when decomposed into equation. Little bit you studied now. Function means input, output. Function is the mechanism. That's a major thing. Next comes goat, grass, and wolf problem. So you are standing in one bank of the river. The bank of the river, you have got a goat, you have got a grass, you have got a wolf. You should not, constraints are goat and wolf should not. Wolf will eat the goat. Goat and grass should not be in one place because goat and grass will eat the goat. Goat will eat the grass. So we have to cross the place. Two members that can cross we can cross at a time. So how to cross? That will give one more example in you will understand. Now you can enter. So you will give more examples, you will understand. Next, sir, you told little bit we studied, sir. So what is m? What is line 1 says m is 2 and n is 5. Line 3 says 2 plus 3 and 5 minus 4. What are the mechanisms, sir? How to write the program for this? What you're doing? Line 1 says 2 comma 5. Line 3 says 5 comma 4. How to write the program? So m and n, what is the initial value? 2 comma 5 written. Line 2 is your decrement m. M will become, no, you are not decrementing m. You are adding. This is output m comma n. What is the output? 5 comma 4. Initially 2 comma 5, line 2. Line 3 is there. Our question is not line 3. Line 2 is line 3. M comma n. M plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. N minus 1. So what I want to say, I got a line 1, 2 comma 5. Line 3 is 5 comma 4. Write the program. So m and n 2 comma 5 initially. Line 3 you write m plus 3, n minus 1. Remaining steps. Another assignment. I got a value p comma c is equal to p plus 1, c plus 1. P gets incremented by 1, c gets incremented by 1. That's what it says. So you got a variable m, you got a variable n. Initial value is 2 comma 5. Final value is 5 comma 4. The function is 2 when you will become 5, add 3. 5 when you will become 4, subtract 1. That's what the function does. So any questions regarding that actually? So chapter 6 comes to an end regarding that. So I think now you can easily understand the concept of chapter 6 completely about it. So any questions regarding that? So slowly we are shutting down the job of chapter 6 of second unit. So I think now you got a rudiment concept about actually what is a variable and what is a function, what is the input data, output data, all mechanisms you know very well about. Okay, so this is Professor Shah again signing off. Stage 6 is completely over. Tomorrow we will see about remaining on the topic, that is composition and decomposition, very well about it, and then another topic from that unit 2 will be completed. So please again I'm requesting you subscribe the channel to your friends, somebody else, anybody else. So just press the subscribe button. It's more than enough for me for your help. So this is Professor Shaw again signing off. Thank you.